Here we go! Flood warning!
Until tomorrow morning. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Eagle Creek at Phalanx Station. When? Until tomorrow morning. Impacts at 9.5 feet. Barkley-Messerly Road south of the Warning Airport in Braceville floods. Milton Road will be threatened. Additional details at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The stage was 9.4 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 9.6 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. On the latest weather map, low pressure enters the Great Lakes today, lifting a warm from north across the area. Another low moves into the upper Great Lakes Thursday into Friday, sweeping a cold front through the region on Friday. This weekend, a low pressure system will track south of the
Shut up.
region.
Okay.
With a 40%.
I was trying to self-activate. What's going on? What is going on? Yo! I was trying to self-activate. Oh.
When? Until tomorrow morning. Impacts at 9.5 feet. Barkley-Messerly Road south
I
of
was
the
trying
Warning
to
Airport
self-activate.
in Braceville floods. Milton Road will be threatened. Additional details at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The stage
I was
is 9.4
trying to
feet.
self-activate.
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 9.6 feet late this evening.
Oh my God.
It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood
I was trying to self-activate.
for flood safety and preparedness information. On the latest